This video will walk you through creating a PlayPosit bulb. In order to create a bulb in PlayPosit, you need to have an account. If you haven't already, make sure to go back and watch the Creating a PlayPosit Account video. Go to the PlayPosit login page. The URL is go.playposit.com. Click Log In. Click Sign In with Google and use your NC State credentials. Click Add New Bulb. Choose a video source. You can choose YouTube, Vimeo, or Panopto. Let's take a minute and review privacy settings for videos added to a PlayPosit bulb. YouTube and Vimeo privacy settings must be set to public in order to add the video to a bulb in PlayPosit. Panopto's privacy settings can be set to share with anyone at NC State, make the video public, or share it directly with individuals or groups viewing the video and the PlayPosit viewer account. To share directly with individuals or groups, you will need to add the PlayPosit viewer account. First, log into the NC State's Panopto portal. Next, navigate to the folder where the video is located. Hover over the video you want to use. Click the Share button. In the gray box for Add People or Groups, type PlayPosit and then click on the PlayPosit viewer account. Uncheck Notify People and click Save. When your video is ready to add to the bulb, you can either copy and paste the URL or search. After you find the desired video, you can rename the video. Captions will automatically be imported. Select Done. If you want to add additional videos, you can click the Add Video button. You are now ready to add interactions. We will go through the process in the next video.